Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. In the previous video, you have learned about the importance of plants. Children, I have given you a question. Except water, what do you drink made by plant product? And the answer is lemonade and juices. Okay, children, tell me what your mama and papa take in the evening? Yes, you are right. They take tea or coffee. You all know that we need milk to make tea and coffee, and milk is an animal product. So, in this video, we will learn about the importance of animals. You also drink milk because milk is a complete food. It makes you strong and healthy. I know some of you do not like milk, but what about curd, butter, ghee, and cheese? All these things are made of milk. And what about your all time favorite ice cream? Yes, ice cream is also made of milk. You might have seen many people eating and selling eggs and meat, which we also get from animals. And what your mama loves to wear in parties? Yes, silk sari that we also get from silkworm. And do you know the candles which you light on your birthdays and Diwali? That is made of wax, and we get wax from beehive, which is the home of a bee, and we get honey from bees. Animals are very useful for us. Animals help us in many ways. Plants too depend upon animals for many things. Animals provide plants with carbon dioxide. All animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an important raw material required by the plants for photosynthesis, which you have already studied in the previous video. Animals help in pollination. Do you know what is pollination? Okay, I will tell you. Plants cannot move from one place to another. They need a way to transfer pollen grains from one plant to another. Bees and butterflies are the important pollinating agents. They gather pollen and nectar to feed themselves and their young. As insects move from one plant to another, they transfer pollen from one flower to the next. So, pollination is the transfer from a male part of a plant to a female part of a plant, later enabling fertilization and production of seed, mostly done by the animals and wind. Animals also help in dispersal of the seeds. Before learning how, let me tell you what is seed dispersal. The process by which seeds are dispersed to the distant places is called seed dispersal. Means the scattering of seeds away from the parent plant. Animals eat some fruits and throw away the seeds which grow into a new plant. We can take the example of a bird. Birds also relish juicy fruits that have seeds within. If the seed does not digested by the bird and thrown away and drop down to the ground directly and gets rooted, it becomes easy for the seed to germinate. Blackberry, apples, cherry, and so many are the pulpy fruits have seeds that are dispersed by the animals. Some seeds have hair on them, while some have hooks and others have sharp spines. These stick to the bodies of animals and are carried far away from the places of their origin. Thus, animals help in seed dispersal. Animals help in increasing soil fertility. Animal dung is used as manure. It is eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means it does not cause any harm to the plant or to the soil, and it is very much effective. Soil is the home to many insects like ants, beetles, worms, rabbits, earthworms, and so on, as they eat, produce bodily waste, and build their underground homes. All these soil dwelling creatures make new soil and help to keep the soil healthy and fertile. Dear children, you all know we keep some animals as pets: cats, dogs, rabbits, parakeets, and many other animals and birds. They give us company. The unconditional love of the pets also support us when we are depressed. Some animals are kept on farm and they are used as dairy animals, draught animals, and as dual purpose animals. Dairy animals like the cows and buffaloes give us milk. Draught animals like the oxen and horses are useful for working in the field and pulling carts. Dual purpose animals like the cows and the bulls are kept by the farmers in pairs, where the female provides milk and the male is used to carry loads and plow fields. Humans eat flesh of many animals. Poultry animals like hens, ducks, and turkeys are kept for their meat and eggs. So we see that the plants, animals, and human beings depend on each other for their survival. This is called interdependence. It is this interdependence that keeps the life going for us. So, dear children, in this video you have learned that animals are very important for us. They provide a valuable food source and textile like wool. They are our companion and our workers too. They help in transportation and maintaining the balance of environment. We must preserve and conserve them. Have a nice day, children.